Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a closet clean out because I love to do this every time the seasons change. You guys know that I do this on my channel. One, is fun for me, and two, it needs to happen. And I feel like it's just like wrong at this point if I don't film it for my channel. So it is Saturday. It's a gloomy day out, so it's just the perfect time to go through my closet, get rid of stuff that I don't need, don't like, and switch out my summer stuff with my winter clothes because the weather is not getting any warmer. It's only getting colder. So I'm just gonna finish up doing my makeup and then I will see you guys in my room. And I am just in the mood to get rid of shit. So this should be a good one. So this is what stresses me out with these videos, is the lighting. So I'm like, can you even see me? Like, no one likes to watch a video that has bad lighting. And this dude is shit. All right, so I have clothes on my bed that I just washed. So we're just gonna leave them there because I'm just gonna be going through my closet anyways. I have this bin on the floor full of all my winter clothes that we need to go through. So we're gonna start with the closet. We're gonna take out clothes I'm not gonna use and take out all my spring clothes. So let's do this. Okay, this sweatshirt I think I'm gonna get rid of. We're gonna put this in the get rid of pile for now. Okay, this linen top I didn't wear all summer. I used to wear this, but honestly, it like kind of got uncomfortable. Like it got like crunchy. I don't know how to explain it. So we're just gonna get rid of it because I didn't wear it at all this summer. So this is a spring top. So we're gonna put this with spring clothes. Is this like springy or can I wear this in the winter? I'm trying to think. Yeah, I think it's springy. We'll put this away. Same with this. This is a spring blazer, so. The next group is all my work pants, so we're gonna have to put away like the spring work pants. Actually, these ones I think I'm gonna get rid of. There's a stain on them. Okay, so far, this is the spring stuff that I'm putting away. These are getting rid of. So this side I just went through, and now these are like winter clothes. This side, as you can tell, is literally all my summer stuff. So now we're gonna go into these. I wanna leave like a few of these in here because when I like wear certain work clothes, it's good to wear these as like an undershirt. So some of these are gonna stay in the closet. This top I'm getting rid of. I just don't really like it anymore. Here's the thing. I'm deciding, I think I'm gonna get rid of this because it's a spring summer top, but a fall color. And it just doesn't, it's just not, no. This is definitely more of a summer shirt. Something that I could wear in the fall if I wear like a little something over it, like going out, you know what I mean? So we're gonna keep this in the closet. Okay. This top I've had for so many years. It is a very cute top, but it's just not my style anymore. It's cute on, but it's just not it anymore. So this top, every time I try to wear it out, I do not like the way it looks. It doesn't support the girlies, and so I need to wear a bra. But the bras don't work with this because it's low cut. So it just doesn't work, and like the color, don't love. So we're gonna get rid of it. Keep putting away, keep. You know what, this one I didn't wear. I think I'm kind of, it's pretty, but I'm not obsessed. So maybe I'll try to sell this because I've literally worn it like once or twice. It's cute, but I'm not in love and I didn't wear it this year, so. All right, t-shirts. This one I kept, but it has stains on it, so we're gonna need to get a new one, but we're just gonna get rid of that for now. This one I've worn too much that I think the pits just, you know, they just get gross. So we're getting rid of it. These are spring. I don't wear this top. It's very cute. I got it from like a boutique down the shore. It was cute when I got it. Now, not so in love, so we're gonna get rid of this. Some of the clothes, if I decide to try and sell them, they'll be on my Poshmark, so you can check them out. But if I don't, then they're just getting donated. This dress had its time, but I think I'm just kind of over it, so we're gonna get rid of it. This was my graduation dress. I don't know if I'll ever wear it again, but it just feels kind of wrong to get rid of it. I think I'm just gonna pack it away for now, and we'll handle it when we pull it out for next season. This is what we have left of this section. Did pretty well of taking stuff out, getting rid of stuff. This is my spring pile, and this is my getting rid of pile. Honestly, looking pretty good, not gonna lie. I'm gonna put these away, hang these up, because these are like clothes I wear now. And then we'll finally get into this bin. Way for me to do this is I took some out of the bin, put them on my bed, and we're just gonna go through it. Once we have all the ones that I'm still keeping, we'll throw them in the closet. This shirt I've had for so many years. It's a very cute top, but you know what? I think I'm over it, so we're getting rid of it. Next, this shirt, very good basic. Keeping these, but we're gonna have to try on pants, so we're gonna keep them, but try them on. Okay, this, I love it, super comfortable, but every time I wear it, the amount of hair that sticks to it, and it just is so like staticky, it's so annoying. I have to get rid of it. No, we'll get rid of this top. This I've had for a long time, and I think I'm over it, so we're gonna get rid of that. Okay, not bad. Okay, let's pull out some more. I think these are all my winter clothes, but also there could be more in a bin and I just don't know. But we'll just hope these are it because, okay, these leggings we're gonna keep. This one, you know, she had her time, this Alpha Z Delta sweatshirt. I'm just not keen on the butterflies, so bye-bye. These leggings, I love these leggings, like the way they look and feel. Don't like the print anymore. I'm like really over it, so we're gonna get rid of these. Sleep pants that are kind of just not comfortable anymore. Get rid of those. Some of these shirts are actually really pilled. Like this one, I got like shirts like this from Amazon, like basics, and they were nice like for the season, but they only lasted for the season. Like they're really pilling and falling apart. So I'm gonna get rid of this. Also the black one. And keeping that. Okay. Okay. That's not that bad. Oh, this is the pile I'm keeping and I need to hang up. This I'm gonna try on. And then these I'm getting rid of. I think I'm doing pretty good. Pretty good. And we still have to go through my dressers and my shoes. And those shoes. So, and that dresser. So we have a lot to go through still. But for now, I'm just gonna hang these up. I'm not gonna show you guys that because like, you don't need to see it. And then we'll come back and maybe we'll switch to shoes. We'll come back and we'll do shoes. Okay, welcome to the bottom of my closet. All right, let's do the shoes now. So I put my winter shoes, most of them in this bag. So let's see what we got in here. Booties, these are keeps. Oh, these are my rain boots, but I swear since the day I got them, they just don't fit right, and I just never wear them. They're Timberland brand, so they're really nice, so maybe I'm gonna sell them on Poshmark, but I think I just got the wrong size, so if you are a size 7.5, you can buy these. I will have them for a good price. They are in literally perfect condition. So we'll get rid of these boots. And then these ones. Is that really all my winter boots? I don't really know if I'm getting rid of many, but we shall see. Okay, well that was easy enough. I honestly didn't get rid of anything, but I swapped everything out. So these are all going in the spring section. I got rid of those. Nice. Okay, dresser. So this drawer has shorts and t-shirts. Keep. These I'm gonna get rid of. And same with these, I think. Yeah, we'll get rid of these. This I've worn to death, so we're just gonna get rid of it. I wanna get more oversized shirts like this one that I wear, but the same vibe, just like different ones, because I don't have enough of them, and the ones that I have I don't like. So like this one, I don't like her, so we're gonna get rid of that. Same with this one. No, getting rid of that. Like this, we'll get rid of this shirt. Don't like it. I always keep this tank top. So I'm like, you never know when you need just a basic black tank top. Do I ever use it? No, but I just like to have it. Does anyone else have that one tank top? Let me know. Didn't do too bad. Got rid of all these from that one drawer. I think that's pretty damn good. And everything else in that drawer is gonna go in my spring stuff. We'll see what we're gonna put in that drawer. I don't know, it's empty. There's literally nothing in it, so. Okay, this I'm gonna get rid of. These biker shorts, they're super pilled and they're just not comfy anymore. So we'll get rid of those. Keeping these, putting them away, putting those away. Okay, next up is jeans. I don't really have that many pair of jeans, but I feel like we could still go through them. I don't know. Keeping these, I'm gonna get rid of. I just don't love the way they look on. I'm gonna try them on just to make sure, but I'm pretty sure I'm getting rid of these. And they're nice, they're from Abercrombie, so I might try to sell those. These, we will hold on, but I'm gonna put them away for next season because they're more springy. And I might get rid of them next season, but we're gonna hold on to them for now. These Levi's, I think I'm gonna get rid of these. We'll just have to try those on. And then these, I think I'm gonna get rid of these because these don't fit. Cool. Okay, and then I'll just try on those jeans really quick because we'll just get it over with. Tried them on. Actually ended up keeping the black pair. They looked better than I remembered. But I am getting rid of the Levi's. They're just not my style anymore. They're like a skinny jean. And I've been seeing some things about people bringing back the skinny jeans. Yeah, I just don't know if I'm here for that. I don't think I can get back on the bandwagon just yet, so I think I'm gonna sell them. So if you want to get back on the bandwagon, go ahead. But we're in the final stretch here. We're gonna go through my pajamas, and then I need to eat lunch. And then I'm gonna organize everything, and then we will show you what I did. These away. These I'm gonna get rid of. Gonna get rid of this one. I just have so many sleep shirts. This one we'll get rid of. Just, I don't know, it's not my comfiest sleep shirt. I think I have enough. Gonna get rid of this one. Gonna get rid of this one, even though this was like my last bidet I was in, but it's ugly, honestly. And it's so short that when I sleep, it's like not even wearing a shirt, so it's not comfortable. All right, so I am gonna go eat before my stomach eats itself right now, and then we will come back, we will organize together and wrap this bitch up. I can't wait to show you guys everything I got rid of because honestly, I did pretty damn good. Okay, it is many hours later. I went to the store, did a few errands, but I came back. I just organized my closet and all my drawers. And I'm gonna show you the final product because it looks really good. And I'm really happy about it. So here's the closet. I just organized all my sweatshirts on this side, and then in the front here, like the lighter shirts, like more of like turtlenecks or just the thinner long sleeves. And then here is where I keep all my work pants and my leather pants. And then this side is some going out tops, a few short sleeve shirts, and then the rest of my sweaters. And then back there are a few dresses. These are literally all of the clothes I'm getting rid of. I'm either putting some things on Poshmark or just getting rid of them, but I would check my Poshmark down below. If you're interested in anything, let me know. It may be on there. You never know. That's a pretty damn good pile, if I do say so myself. I went through like a few of my other little drawers, like with my jewelry and what else? Oh, my bathing suits. I only got rid of like one, so I didn't show you. That's it for my closet clean out. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you love these videos, give it a thumbs up. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.